So this is one I recommend you watch, one of the many tutorials I have, Crescent Moon Inside Out. It's one that we add to a lot of our floral tangles. Many of the people who've come in and they love it. But it starts with an orb. I leave a little bit of a white shine in the center. I put 3 rainbow auras around it, and then I add what we call kind of the ladybug of Crescent Moon, which is half or a fraction of an orb, and then we aura that, and then we just continue to repetitively do the same thing over and over again, which for me is what Zentangle is all about. For me, it's quieting my mind because I'm repetitively doing the same thing over and over and over again. Now, believe it or not, this tangle is slower than regular speed. And I'm going to speed it up here in a second. But this tangle took hours to do. In fact, I couldn't finish it in the live and ended up doing, I believe some of it in another live or on my own. And then to shade it was hours as well. And I really feel like video doesn't do this tangle justice when it's completed, because when it's completed, it almost looks as though they're dragon scales. So if you're ever in one of my lives, I go live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and usually Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thursday is a Zoom class, which registration is on my website. And on the weekends, it's different all the time. It depends on what my family life has going on. I almost always go live on Sundays. For subscribers, I do subscriber-only lives, and we have a Discord chat as well. But here, I don't feel like this video does it, but it really looks like moving dragon scales, and that's just from hours and hours of shading. So I hope to see you in my lives. And remember, I believe it's about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle's a bonus at the end.